There are few things as comforting as melty cheese, whether it be on a pizza, burger, or pile of nachos. Fondue takes this decadent pleasure to another level. A bath of cheese traditionally seasoned with garlic, wine, and cherry brandy becomes the dip for hunks of warm bread. It's an interactive dining experience that's best shared with friends.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best fondue pots. So let's get started. Number 5. Nostalgia Fondue Fountain. If you love chocolate fondue, why not have a fountain of chocolate? This holds up to 2 pounds of the sweet treat. The heated stainless steel bowl looks good and keeps the chocolate flowing at the proper temperature with an auger that moves the melted chocolate upward and ready to cascade down. Nostalgia also makes a few different models of chocolate fountains, including some with a smaller 1.5-pound capacity if this size is too large for your needs. There are separate switches for heating and the motor. When you're not using this for chocolate, you can use it for cheese fondues, sauces, and more. Try it with barbecue sauce for your wings and ribs. The 4 tiers are easy to assemble for use and just as easy to disassemble for cleaning and storage. Number 4. Deluxe Fondue Maker. If you plan on throwing a fondue party, you'll need the right pot for the job. This electric fondue maker comes with 8 color-coded forks, so you and your guests can keep track of which ones belong to who throughout the night. The pot even has convenient racks for storing the forks and reducing drips. The removable pot is made of non-stick stainless steel for easy cleaning. You can even stick the pot in the dishwasher. A precise temperature dial keeps things heated at your preferred temperature. Long cool touch handles keep your hands from being burned while working with the heated pot. This product also features attachable ingredient cups to hold the tasty treats you plan on dipping in the fondue. The pot is versatile too, as it's able to heat cheese, chocolate, oils, and broth. With a 3-quart capacity, you'll have enough fondue to feed the hungriest group. Number 3. Oster Ceramic Fondue Pot. There's no need to break the bank to have fun fondue. This very affordable fondue pot runs on electricity, so there's no need to buy or store the fuel for it, and it's ready whenever you need it. The pot has a ceramic interior that's easy to clean when cooking is done, and the temperature control is removable with a breakaway magnetic cord for safety when the pot is on the table. This set includes 8 color-coded fondue forks that match the pot, and the fork holder ring keeps them neatly in place in the pot. The temperature can be set from warm to 400 degrees, and the dial indicates which temperature is best for chocolate, cheese, or for frying meats and vegetables in oil. It holds up to 3 quarts, so there's plenty of space to store food without needing to refill. With the temperature probe removed, the pot can be immersed in water for cleaning, but it is not dishwasher safe. Number 2. Swissmar Lugano Fondue Set. This enameled cast iron fondue pot has the aesthetic of the traditional fondue pot, so it's great for traditional cheese fondue meals. The sturdy cast iron pot retains heat well and can be used right on the stove, so you don't need to dirty a second pot to melt the cheese and then transfer it. The stand is made from wrought iron and holds a gel container that provides heat. The enamel coating in the cast iron pot means that the pot doesn't need to be seasoned before use, but non-stick or wooden utensils should be used for cooking the fondue. It should be hand-washed. The pot can be used on any heat source. The pot is 2 quarts, so it will be useful even after the fondue is over. You can use it for warming sauces or heating milk for hot cocoa, and it's attractive enough for serving. Number 1. Cuisinart CFO-3SS Fondue Maker. While an electric fondue pot isn't traditional, it's certainly convenient, and this fondue pot is also very attractive. It has a brushed finish on the bowl and ring, and a mirrored finish on the stand and handles. The ring has notches to hold the forks in place. This pot can be used with any type of fondue, including oil, broth, chocolate, or cheese. Temperature is controlled with a dial with 8 different settings. Foods can be heated right in the pot, no need to heat anything on the stove first. For oil cooking, it takes 10 to 15 minutes to reach 375 degrees. The bowl is 3 quarts and has a non-stick coating for easy cleaning. After removing the temperature probe and cord, the rest of the components can be washed in the dishwasher. 8 fondue forks are included. That was our list of the top 5 best fondue pots just for you.